Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're at Temescal Peak via Temescal Canyon Road in Tarzana. We're actually doing this from the Tarzana side. I know you can do this from the Malibu side, I think, or Pacific Palisades maybe.
Yeah.
But we're doing the easier way today.
Too rough on my foot, to be honest. And this trail is a 6.8 mile out and back trail with a little over 900 foot elevation gain, and it's supposed to be heavily trafficked. This actually might look familiar because this is the beginning point also for Venalden Cave Trail. So this is that starting point will eventually split off to go even further. So you'll get to see that today.
We also have a hiking buddy. I think he's somewhere back there. There he is. But we're actually going to be meeting up a couple other people up on top of the peak. It's out ADV or ADV plus. You know, we're just going to be celebrating their 1 year anniversary up there, and we're also going to keep doing our duty of picking up trash. So let's get on the trail and let's enjoy.
Later. Here's the beginning portion of the trail. You're greeted by these yellow posts, and then you start making your way up. So here we're at a splitting point. We're gonna keep going straight. You can go off to the right as well. You'll end up at the same spot. It'll join up with the main route eventually. So this will look familiar. This is the way up to Venalden Cave as well. If you haven't had a chance, go ahead and check out that video. That one actually is pretty cool. Leads you to some caves. Gorgeous day today. This trail is rated as moderate. The beginning portion does have its steep moments. It's not terrible. Ooh, that's gorgeous. It's springtime, so we get all these beautiful flowers. So here, once you make it up to this sign, you can either do right or left. We're going right. This trail is heavily trafficked and a favorite for mountain bikers. So if you hear any little ringing bells, it's usually them signaling that they're behind you. So you can go ahead and move off to the side. See, a lot of bicyclists. On that note, don't forget your mask. It depends on the time of day, but for the most part, there isn't a lot of shade on this trail. So you might want to go ahead and have a hat on hand. We're coming up to this split, and if you were to make a right, that'll take you to Venalden Cave. But today we're going to Temescal Peak, so we'll be making a left. So you'll notice that at the beginning of the trail that dogs are allowed. Once you reach this point, dogs aren't allowed beyond this point. Keep that in mind before you start venturing off. It's so gorgeous out here though. We just got some rain, so the ground's a little moist. There's some mud and patches. It's kind of cool. It's fresh. Jeez, I feel fat now. All these people are running. So Jaime is continuing our picking up trash, and there seems to be some trash off the sides of this trail, so we're doing our part. Blue jays up there chilling. Looks like this is a popular trail too for trail running, so if that's your thing. So the hiking group we're meeting up there is from Bakersfield. They drove out to Pacific Palisades to start their trek on the Will Rogers Trail. It's about 14-mile loop. They're definitely beasts, and their group name is Outdoor Adventure Plus. So if you like joining hiking groups, making new friends with similar interests, there you go. You can check them out on Instagram, and they also have a YouTube channel. So this trail seems to be pretty nice so far. Nothing crazy. There's a lot of pretty wildflowers everywhere. Look at those beautiful purples. So here in Topanga Park, there's a lot of different trails that you can take, a lot of different offshoots so you can explore. Obviously, if you're gonna spend the day hiking, just let someone know where the area you're at. You never know. But I mean, spend the whole day out here just having a good time.
All right, guys. Now it's my turn to lead the way, or record from the back. So far, you know, this trail is pretty nice. It's pretty wide. Little map of the area. And coming on this trail from the last time we did it, when we went and did the Ventura caves, it's actually a lot nicer now because it's not midsummer, so it's pretty nice. The only thing is it has been raining the last couple of days, so it is kind of muddy, but it's not bad. It could be a lot worse. All right, guys, here you guys have a choice. You guys can keep on the fire road or take the hard way going up right there. We're gonna do the hard way today. I mean, I've been in trails where your shoe gets stuck and then you try to take it out, your foot comes out, but your shoe's in the mud. Those are fun times though. Look, everybody's going up. This little incline here is pretty steep. That climb there, you can feel it in the calves. I don't know if she mentioned this, but this trail is out and back. The other thing I did notice also, there is restrooms along the way. There's one restroom at the beginning and there's one towards the peak area. Look at these views. I think if you guys aren't ready to do high inclines, I suggest to stay on the regular trail. Here the path got a little narrow once we deviated, so just be careful of the people on the trail. Okay, so these two little trails here. The one on the left shows you a little viewpoint. We're gonna go up here. But if you don't wanna do it, you can go to the right to continue on the trail. If you look from up here to the right-hand side, you can see the regular trail, the fire road trail. So if you ever think you took a wrong turn, just remember that around this area right here, the fire road is going to be to the right. And see up there, that's the fire road. You can see it already. So far, I would consider this moderate. It's not terrible. You get your workout in, you won't get really tired. And there has been trails that they are killer. Just lay on the trail for a couple minutes just to regain your composure. And then talking about wildlife and insects, we haven't seen any wildlife or heard any. The only thing that we have seen is bees, so just be careful if you're allergic to bee stings. And from what I've seen, we already picked up a lot of trash and we're still picking up some. It's probably because there's a lot of people on this trail. And talking about picking up trash, we're actually going to be doing an event picking up trash in Bakersfield in about a month from now. So that should be exciting, keeping the trails clean. I think this incline here is the majority of the incline of the 940 something feet. Right here, guys, it's the second restroom I was talking about.
So from that restroom point, it's about 1.5 miles up to the peak. So not too bad.
And I think if you guys come here during the summer, try doing it really early. Even though it's winter here, it's getting warm already. It's about 10, I think.
At this splitting point, we're gonna make a slight left up to the Will Rogers Trail. So it's Backbone Trail to Will Rogers. Oh, that's nice. I like this shade. So at this splitting point, you're gonna go into the brush. You're gonna make a left. And where those people are hanging out up there, that's where we're going. So we timed it perfectly. We came in across Outdoor Adventure Plus. It's very overgrown here, so you might wanna wear pants for this or just tough it out.
Hey guys, we made it to the end. It was not bad at all out here.
No.
I mean, we made it interesting because we went on a shortcut to make it a little harder, but not bad at all.
I liked it.
Yep. And there's quite a bit of people out here, but I mean, the most of the way it's pretty wide, so you don't have to deal with a lot of people.
It's beautiful. With the recent rain, it's really fresh. I imagine it'd be hotter in like the summer months, so just kind of time it well for yourself. But other than that, really beautiful trail, real beautiful peak, and we recommend it.
So thank you for all the subscribers, all the new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a like and share if you'd like, so we can get out there for everybody else. But thank you for everything, and we'll see you guys next time.
Later.